gotta let knowledge be heard.
In the Bellator exhibition, teleport to different time zones. Lawyers say it was an expedition. Break down bars like lysosomes. I'm lifted, break down the hydro. Few minutes later, my head is north. I'm headed for the peak, metaphor for me. So I did it yours, capiche. Get on the beat with repertoires. Wreck it, roar, unleash, security breach. Broke the voice detected, password at the door. Galore is out of my reach. I rain and bombard, take cover like umbrella Ford. Special herbs and the sweet blends. Remove the weed stems. Keep friends on my corner, never deceive them. She wanna draw semen when she sees men, but he gets in the deep end before the scene ends. Though she so shallow, she humbled herself. Oh, she wrote me, said my style dope and what greaters do to cheese. I do the fast and slow beats, make you get the point without pokes. Shout out to Dow Jones, embarking a trip to the market. Cypher on the way, catch a clip, more precision than marksman. Half baked at the cafe, blow her away as she wetter than cascades. Catch fades, cash crops on the corner. Forearm, she'll twist the cap off and take back shots. Hold the mic even with casts on my arm. Nicer than everyone on both our boulevards. Bulletin boards say that boy about to blow. Boards bad to the bone. Put bullets in chambers, pull it and it travels with the rhythm of lightning bolts in the river with paddles. Rowing boats with reverence after revenue. Roaming down the roads. Dead presidents with my finger residue. Genius on the low. I'm in alarm, but niggas chose the wrong time to set it to. Chiefin' on the dro, a cute bro. She looking right and I'm laid back. Obtuse bullshit gets a boost. That's intolerable. Name a nigga taller with flows this sick. Blunt blow it with moderate ball hits at your neck, make the collar rip. Niggas fishy me, I got the grip of a living lobster dish with no butter, so no bro, you cannot serve this. Half baked at the cafe, good or bad days. Told my niggas we can meet halfway. Holla at some hoes, drinking frappes, spinning the guap that dad makes. When it gets a tad late, we reminisce on moving that way. Half baked at the cafe, good or bad days. Told my niggas we can meet halfway. Holla at some hoes, drinking frappes, spinning the guap that dad makes. When it gets a tad late, we reminisce on moving that way.